from the East Greenbush Community Library. I wanted to show you how to make cute little snowmen using a white styrofoam cup, some felt or paper, I don't know what you have, pom-pom, and pipe cleaner. So cut your pipe cleaner. You can measure it like this. Just see where you want your earmuffs for your snowman to go. And what I did here was, we don't even need glue for this part. Oh, there's the cat. So just pop the pipe cleaner into the styrofoam. Don't even need any glue for that part. Very cute. So there we go. So if you're using paper, cut along the long side of a construction paper sheet. Cut a strip to be your scarf. Then cut little fringes like so. Or if you're using felt, do the same thing with a piece of felt. You get the idea. Cut both ends. Wrap the scarf around the neck of your snowman. Put a little dot of glue and hold it down. Same thing if you're using paper. Wrap it around. Doesn't really matter where it goes. And dot of glue out of some orange construction paper. Cut a triangle for a carrot nose. You could say I already put them on the purple guy. If you want, you can make it 3D. You could make it, fold it. Stick it out like that. Put it on. Or you could glue it flat. Next step, earmuffs. So you go ahead and repeat that. As you can see, what I did to Mr. Blue Snowman, hi Milo, is take a magic marker and draw some eyes, maybe some eyebrows, anything else you want. So have fun making some cup snowmen.